Remain calm. Don't get excited. Don't get flustered. Awesome. Yeah, I can help you with that. Does it make sense for me to put together the listing agreement? Yeah, Russell, it does. Perfect. Congratulations. You made a great decision. We'll get this listing agreement in place, and then I'll have both the paperwork for the listing agreement and that offer, what we're going to do on the new place for you, by 4:45 today. Fair enough? Yeah, Russell, thank you so much. High fives. Now, I'm giving you permission, Russell, to get in your car and go, yeah! But don't do that in front of the client, right? Stay calm, stay cool, stay collected, trust your process. A lot of times, what we have to realize is we have to drop the dang enthusiasm. When we get really excited, that's not good. We can get really excited in the privacy of our own home. We can get really excited with our spouse and our loved ones, right? Hopefully I'll get you guys to a point where you're just a closer and you don't get really excited either way, right? But emotions are not a good thing in sales. Despite what a lot of sales trainers say, oh, you gotta be excited. How are you doing today? That's gross, okay? There's a different coach for that, all right? And probably a different industry for you guys to be in. We are business professionals. We are sales consultants, right? Yeah, awesome, I can help you with that. Does it make sense for us to put in the offer, right? What date do you need to sell the house by? What makes that date important? Right? What's the most important thing that we need to accomplish when we're listing this house, right? Boom, boom, boom. Stay cool, stay calm, collected. Are you tired of barely making quota every month, or worse? Are you not making your quota? Are you not hitting your numbers? Are you worried that you're going to lose your job in sales? All that can change for you within the next 60 days. Hi, my name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world, and we can help you double, yeah, you heard me correctly, double the amount of sales that you're making, double your quota, and double your income within the next 60 days with Easton University Sales Coaching. Click the link here, and we're gonna show you how you'll have access to the Easton University Learning Portal. It has everything you need to know to double your income, double your commissions, double your quota within the next 60 days. You're also gonna have the ability to join live coaching with me twice a week. I'm gonna be there with you every step of the way. You got a question on prospecting, I've got you covered. You wanna know how to close? We'll walk through it. You wanna be able to skillfully handle objections and complaints? I will walk you through in the live settings. Check out Easton University. Click the link now. You're gonna see 1,000 video testimonials from people just like you that have doubled their income in the last 60 days. Click the link here. I wanna talk to you about how we can help you sell twice as much within the next 60 days.